not from the Northeast, like most people here in the Adirondacks.
What are you doing on that side of the street?
How'd you get into hiking? Give me just a quick backstory to that before we start talking about the single seat in Redfield. Just kidding. You could not pay me to do that again. However, we are breaking trail back on the Lake Arnold Trail, and we have
look at all the cars. How close could you be back there? You're in the way. What are you doing? Let me guess, you gotta get to the right. No. Oh, there he goes. He has to go get gas because that's the only gas station within 100 miles of here. I totally get his situation. Left turn dive. And another guy alongside me. Of course, because, you know, he only had forever to merge over. And he got it like that, too. Because he's an idiot. And he deserved that. Why are we going so slow? Alright, dude, it's not like I can make the dude in front of me go any faster. I don't have those superpowers. I can't make the guy ahead of me go faster. Tailgate him. If you really have to. At least my turn's coming up. And please don't turn right. Of course. I got to be stuck behind you for a little bit longer, am I? Really? Yeah. How dare I stop at a red light? Really? Fucking bitch. You got a headlight out too, by the way. Is there anything else I can nitpick about you?
So your husband is married to a completely different woman right now, and you're married to a completely different man right now. You probably haven't had that conversation yet.
No stop
and
again.
Sex used to be.
Dude, the dude's turning left there. I wonder if that got on camera.
Our hike and it's like below 5 or 10 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll throw those on. For the most part, I use. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Rachel Boot Company.
Really?
I'm not.
So they a few years ago, a boot company called Rachel partnered up with another company called Mammut.
Hey!
A particular set of cairns that kind of direct you to cross the brook completely and get off of that.
Especially when he could have pulled forward.
Kind of a
Damn
very
it!
important point of
Really?
interest because
160-degree views. Sitting here eating lunch. In front of me are the high peaks. You got just everything. Dicks.
What the fuck are you doing?
Marcy.
In the middle of the intersection.
Right there's a giant Rocky Peak Ridge, kind of in clouds. And then on to my right is Whiteface, which still has a little bit of snow on it, but it's definitely melting away.
Have a deep front line. They can pressure the quarterback. They can play in the back line.
Nope.
Obviously, star.
Really do it justice. You'll all just have to experience it firsthand. Save it for a sunny day.
No stop.
Large portions of this stretch run along a slab. January 20th,
No stop.
2020.
Florida.
Another bluebird winter Adirondack.
Red light run. Oh, do we have to? Yeah. Rockin' Single File plays St. Rocket Science.
Becoming the first and currently only Lake Placid 9 Winter Ultra finishers. So impressive. So I walked back to my van, parked right next to the trailhead here at the Bear Den parking lot.
No, stop. Kind of sort of stopped, but really didn't. Oh, someone actually stopped. Good job. Okay, Ford's got it. Go. All right, see if the Toyota turd from Florida goes or stops. I gotta. No, I wouldn't count that. No. Yeah, that whole group gets a C-.
Santa Claus towards the top. The phone remained intact, making what I hoped was a fun little video. Then I was at the top. I stood up and turned around.
You're not supposed to go that way.
Down goes the phone.
This is the correct way.
As it tumbled on.
No, stop. No, stop, and there was a car coming. No, stop.
The time was 4:01 p.m. It was 45 minutes into the flight. An explosion suddenly tore through the DC-9's baggage.
Really? That is not the left turn lane, you dum-dum. Exit dive up there.
Word was that he wasn't going to kick today, this morning.
Oh, up there.
I checked into it because I had him on my fantasy team, you know.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is I-81 south of Syracuse and we're in the month of November where they don't allow trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Oh, well, you're in the video. It's tough shit. Oh, well. Anyways, the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!